So here is the thing. I just got a new camera. Yes, so I upgraded my camera to R5 Mark II. This is one of, I can't say one of, this is the most expensive camera I've ever bought. Have always been dodging with low mid range camera. My last camera was Canon 60 Mark II, which was a DSLR, not even a mirrorless. So I've taken this big step of finally getting a high-end camera, and yeah, I'll basically be using it for everything and also create content. So I thought, why not start with an unboxing video? Unlike other influencers, I'm not sure how they deal with all these, but for me, this was a huge jump. Uh, Almost 6.5K is quite a lot for me to spend on a camera. But I thought this is the time because, like I said, I've been always using low mid end or mid end cameras, which did restrict me from doing quite a lot of things. But yeah, finally I've made that big jump and I wanted to use every ounce of it that comes in terms with taking photos, videos, and also not missing a chance to unbox it. So this is just an unboxing video of this brand new camera. I just got it today from DG Direct. I didn't pre-order it. They had five pre-order, and they just had one extra camera. So when I called them, they told they have got one extra piece. Went them mid work, got the camera, and yeah, let's unbox it. So right off the box, this is how it looks like, or exactly how I got it. I've not even touched the camera yet. So yeah, I'll be doing the opening in front of you. The only one thing which I've done is I've charged the battery and I've put it back in this. That's the only thing which I've done so far. Uh, I charge the battery because of obviously once I do the unboxing and everything, I would be really restless and I don't want to wait another 2-3 hours to charge the battery and everything. So I've done that. So yes, let's jump into it. That's one thing you get with the camera, lucky strap. I'm not personally someone who uses camera strap, but I hope it turns lucky for me, just like it's mentioned, because yes, I've spent a fortune on this, so I better be lucky. So yeah, just a strap. That is, I think that's the lucky part. But other than that, it just looked normal to me. Probably a bit more leathery finish. Not, yeah, it is leather. It seems like not the cloth kind of finish. So that's one. And yeah, this seems to be metal. And then got a sticker, and then yeah, got a lucky sticker. I don't know where to use that. And then I've got lucky strap, something. Thank you, welcome to the family, and all the stuff. Now to the camera box. I actually wanted to start. It's the first time I've got the camera and I didn't even open it or use it yet because I was setting this up and I didn't want to be lazy and just open the camera and miss or not do an unbox. So yeah, here we go. Not someone who does all these unbox papers, bills. Then you've got the manual and then the charger. Like I said, I did charge this, and in this charger you can see 0, 50%, 75%. It says the blink sign. So when it's 0%, it'll blink once. When it's 50 percentage, it blinks twice in a second. And when it's 75, blink thrice. And when it's 100, it's got the green continuous light. Then you have the battery. It's the new LPE6P Canon battery. I've never used a mirrorless, so I'm not sure how long it lasts. It says 490 clicks, but once I start using, obviously I'll be recording all those things and I'll try and post. Another camera strap. This is the regular one. Like I said, this one you can see it's the cloth kind of feeling one, or whatever material you call it. Again, yeah, the regular one. You have got the charger cable, and inside we have got Type C cable. Then you've got the organizer for wire. To be honest, I've never used it. I even don't know how to use it. I'll see if it is handy. Normally, I'm a person who don't like wire. I try and use wireless stuffs if that's in my budget. And yeah, I don't like wire getting tangled and everything. Another reason why I don't use the camera strap, I use the grip mostly. So anyway, I'll see how I can use it if that's something which is good for me. And now to the camera. We got the box, and that is the Canon R5 Mark II. First time holding it, or first time feeling it. Uh, right off the bat, comparing it with the DSLR I had, which is 60 Mark II. The grip is the place you hold. It's quite big. Uh, it is comfortable. It's got that good grip, but it is quite big, the thickness compared to the other one, or say my Canon 60 Mark II. But the size and the weight is obviously less. That's what the mirrorless are for. First thing, the size, and yeah, basically that is my unboxing. Like I said, there will be shitloads of videos of me using this camera, and I'm planning to basically take videos of me using it and every sort of content with this. Like I said, I have never spent this much money on a camera, so I'm gonna use every bit possible and use this in whichever way I can. Uh, so yeah, initial, I don't even know what to say because yeah, looks good. I'll use it and see. Uh, Obviously, it's a good camera. It's a really good, damn good camera. That's why I bought it. Other than that, obviously, the keys are pretty much same. The mode is different. Normally, the mode is at this side, and this the mode is here. On, off, and lock is here. I can see a crop sign here. I don't know what that is, but yes, as of now, that's the camera. I'll now get my lens in. Obviously, I did had to buy a mount adapter, so I did get this. I was actually looking for the mount adapter with the built-in ND filter, so that I could use it for the videos and everything, and I don't have to buy more ND filters, which is quite inconvenient for me normally, because you have to move that, and then sometimes it drops and everything. So I was actually quite keen to buy that, which is another 600 AUD, Australian dollars. I was pretty prepared, but I couldn't find it anyway. It's out of stock. I almost got a second-hand one in Ted's camera, and then later they told that it's already sold, so I couldn't get it. And then, yeah, so I'm looking for that. Most likely, I'll try and get a second-hand one or something if I can find, and then I won't be spending any more on my camera for some time at least. Hope so. Nah, nah, I'm not spending anymore for a good long time. So anyway, that's it.